In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a lead nurturing workflow using HubSpot. Whether you're just starting with HubSpot or looking to refine your skills, this guide will walk you through the process clearly and effectively. First, we'll begin by accessing the trial guide on HubSpot. Open your web browser and navigate to the HubSpot interface. Once there, make sure you're on the Sales Hub Professional page. This area provides you with the tools needed to dive deep into automation, which is a critical component of lead nurturing. Now, look for the Automation tab in the navigation menu. Click on it. This section is where most of the magic happens with workflows. Automation in HubSpot allows you to set up powerful workflows that can manage your lead nurturing processes, saving you time and ensuring consistency across your communications. Once you've clicked on Automation, you'll see a list of options. Click again on the Automation link. This may look like repetition, but it ensures that you're in the correct subsection of HubSpot where workflows are managed. The following step is to click on the Workflows option. This will take you to the page where you can manage your existing workflows and create new ones. Workflows are essential for managing and nurturing your leads by automating follow-ups, lead scoring, and more, depending on your specific needs. Next, find the Manage button and click it. This is where you can see an overview of all your workflows, analyze their performance, and ensure everything is running smoothly. This is valuable because managing your workflows effectively can significantly impact your lead conversion rates. Once you're comfortable with managing, the next step is to click on Analyze. This section allows you to take a closer look at how your workflows are performing. By reviewing these analytics, you can make data-driven decisions to optimize and improve your nurturing strategies. Then, proceed to click on Health. This is a crucial step where you review the overall health of your workflows. A well-maintained workflow is essential to ensure your leads receive timely and appropriate communication. After assessing the health, click on Review Automation Issues. Here you can identify any potential problems with your workflows and address them before they impact your lead nurturing efforts. The next step is to create a workflow, so click Create Workflow. This is an exciting part where you'll begin crafting a new lead nurturing sequence tailored to your needs. Finally, choose From Scratch to start building your custom workflow. Starting from scratch allows you the flexibility to design every aspect of your workflow specifically for your campaign's objectives and your audience's needs. And that's it. You've just learned how to set up a lead nurturing workflow in HubSpot. By following these steps, you're well on your way to creating powerful, automated workflows that will help engage and convert your leads more effectively. Happy nurturing!